It is so sad seeing people cutting down trees and the same people complaining about the climate change. Why can't human being be responsible again? All these things we are facing is because of our behaviors. We are polluting water bodies. Industries are using a lot of chemicals in their production. People are cutting down trees. I will fight for the right of environment until something is done. We cannot continue like this, destroying our environment and again complaining of the diseases sprouting out. Right now, high rates of cancer. Why? Because of the chemicals we are eating. Agriculture has been affected. Right now, if you grow something, any type of crop, it will not produce as it used to. Soil has been affected. Even the environment, air, everything has been affected because of the human being irresponsibilities. We just take everything for granted. No one cares anymore. That is why I'm standing and fighting so that trees are respected. Stop cutting down trees. Our rivers are drying up. Stop cutting trees. The air we are breathing is being polluted. Stop cutting down the trees. There are some animals, birds, depending on their trees as their source of homes, source of shelter. We as human beings, we need trees. For us to breathe fresh air, we need trees. So please, let us stop cutting down trees anyhowly. And whenever you cut a tree, make sure that you plant 2 or 3 to replace one which you've cut down. Please, this message is supposed to reach everybody worldwide. This message is supposed to reach every person. And I'm also urging any organization, NGOs, government parastatals, and any other person who is responsible to help me so I can reach so many people and continue campaigning until this message is reached worldwide and we take action.